Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of blighted ovum, also called an embryonic pregnancy. You can see the uterus, urinary bladder, and a gestation sac is seen in the uterine cavity. And this gestation sac has no fetal pole or no products of conception in its interior. A blighted ovum is a fertilized egg that implants itself in the uterus but doesn't become an embryo. The placenta and embryonic sac form but remains empty. There is no growing baby. It is also known as embryonic gestation or embryonic pregnancy. A pregnancy is embryonic if a transvaginal ultrasound reveals a sac with a mean gestation sac diameter greater than 25 millimeter and no yolk sac, or a gestation sac more than 25 millimeter with no embryo. You can see the blood flow is seen in the uterus but not in the gestation sac. There is no product of conception. There is no fetal pole. A blighted ovum causes about 1 out of 2 miscarriages in the first trimester of pregnancy. A miscarriage is when a pregnancy ends on its own within a first 20 weeks. When a woman becomes pregnant, the fertilized egg attaches to the uterine wall. At about 5 to 6 weeks of pregnancy, an embryo should be present. But you can see in this case there is no fetal pole, no product of conception, and the gestation sac is empty. A blighted ovum, also called an embryonic pregnancy, occurs when an early embryo never develops or stops developing, is resorbed, and leaves an empty gestation sac. The reason this occurs is often unknown, but it may be due to chromosomal abnormalities in the fertilized egg. The gestation sac is typically visible on a transvaginal ultrasound somewhere between 3 to 5 weeks of pregnancy or by the time the HCG has reached 15 to 2000. Before that, even in a viable pregnancy, there is not going to be visible gestation sac on an ultrasound. Doctors can diagnose ovum using an ultrasound starting at around week 7 of pregnancy. Imaging will show a smaller than normal and empty gestation sac which contains no embryo. Because the blighted ovum will still make hormones, it can show up as positive pregnancy test. A blighted ovum will cause a miscarriage usually at 7 to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Your body realizes the pregnancy is not developing properly and starts to shed blood and tissue from the uterus. The gestation sac is a large cavity of fluid surrounding the embryo. During early embryogenesis, it consists of extraembryonic column, also called the chorionic cavity. The gestation sac is normally contained within the uterus. One of the more common types of miscarriages are known as an embryonic pregnancy with empty sac. and you can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you do like this video.